and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dipasha Sharma. Strong winds caused travel issues as Storm Pia hit Scotland. Passengers are being warned against travelling as Storm Pia is expected to cause significant disruption. The Met Office has issued a yellow weather warning for wind which expired at 15. Gusts of 70 to 80 mph are still possible in northern Scotland. Scottish and Southern Electricity Network said more than 2,000 customers were affected in rural areas, including parts of southwest, the Isle of Lewis and Orkney. Multiple power cuts have also been reported across Dumfries and Galloway. Properties in Colin, Terregles, Sangwar, Carenbridge, Monave, Colvent, Kitchenbridge, Gatehouse and Laswalt are among those affected. The yellow warning initially lasted until 21 GMT, but the Met Office later changed that to 15 GMT. Rail operator TransPennine Express is strongly advising customers not to travel during the storm, asking customers to delay their journeys in and out of Edinburgh until after 15 GMT. Speed restrictions are in place for trains running to and from Edinburgh, and there are no services between the city and northwest England until Thursday afternoon. Ferry services across the west coast of Scotland have been cancelled, along with some services on the Stena Line route between Kenyan and Belfast. Pupils at Moffat Academy, Moffat Primary and St Mungo School in Dumfries and Galloway have also been sent home due to power outages. Travellers have been warned of short notice changes to journeys on ScotRail services and are advised to check ahead, while additional engineers will be deployed to deal with an incident. It is quite a wide wind warning area. Gusts are forecast quite widely to be 45 mph to 55 mph, possibly 65 mph to 70 mph to the east of high ground in Scotland. The strongest winds are likely to be found in the north and northeast of Scotland, including the Northern Isles, with 70 to 80 mph in the morning. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.